Okay. Okay, I did it.
979-485-98. $485.98. No. $979-485-98. All right, let's see. Yes. I'm gonna add a couple photos, get you to write your signature right quick, and so I'm gonna add a couple photos and get you to do your signature.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm calling about job number 479 48598. Nine 979-485-98. $979-485-98. Yes, it's canceled, but the customer still needs the service. You better stop canceling before that door open. You better make sure that door open. Yes. Yes, ma'am, I'm the service provider. Yes. Yes, that is correct. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm here right now. Okay. You marked it as on site. Let me double check real fast. Yeah, the customer still needs the service. Yeah, okay. I see it on site now. Okay. All right, thank you. You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. Yeah, you better start waiting till that door open next time, girl.
I hope it don't be a next time.
If there is a next time, you better wait till that door open before you cancel. I told you I was gonna be here in 15 minutes.
Whoever got here first, I just I got people out there waiting on me.
I understand, baby.
I know.
Stick to the pros. Stick to the pros. All right, let's go. Just get you in here. How Mars Ball said that one call, that's all? One call, that's all, baby. You're welcome. One call, that's all. You come up here with some ideas, my man.
Yes.
You had the idea. I got you, brother. I got the equipment though, man. All right, let me get this.
My battery in my
You like it?
thing. I gotta put some battery in it. I forgot to buy
No, nah. Close the door. Close the door. Get out. Take the key out. Take the key out. Close the door.
I'm gonna give when I go to work today.
Lock it. Unlock it. It's not locked. Lock it and unlock it with the key. All right, now unlock it. There you go. Now you can crank it up. And just let me get your signature. That way we make sure I get paid. Yeah, call the professional next time, all right? Wait on the pros.
I will.
I picked up in that window, not door.
Y'all have a good one, man. You're welcome.